crucial part of our life is smartphone. Nowadays, that can do dozens of different functions, such as you watching this video, call someone, capture selfies, gamings, navigate the location, etc. To do those functions, your smartphone has variety of different levels of high-end technology combined together to do the magics. For the execution of all the features that your smartphone holds up, first we know it is an electronic device which must have the electrical connection inside of it. From our common sense, we know that the electrical wires are taken into account for the connection in between ports which resides inside of the device. Hey, myself Mainak Kumar Das. I am Autodesk certified professional corporate trainer at Pcb Design and Technology, currently with Waveflex Consultancy Service Private Limited. Introducing you the revolutionary technology which beautify our daily life. Your smartphone that you are holding has collectively over 200 feet of electrical wires inside of it. That's what it takes to combine a display, wireless charging, camera, speaker, GPS, Wi-Fi, battery, fingerprint sensors, gyroscope, dozens of microchips, processors, RAMs, and many more sensors into a single device, and have all the components work together seamlessly, which holds your snaps, videos, documents, voices, calling capabilities, gamings, and different kind of functionalities like internet browsing, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. But how it's possible to fit the multi-features into a very small device that can be fit on your palm? But wait, where are all of those electrical wires go off? Which holds the electrical connection? Just wait and watch. Yes, here is the concept of printed circuit board comes into this place. Most probably you have seen a circuit board like this one, motherboard of the computer, right? And it might have been green, maybe blue, but all we know, this is motherboard, which is nothing but PCB, which has the wires but in the form of copper tracks, most likely designed artistically, which establishes the connection in between different little components bound together. That makes the size of the device is very less and fits hundreds of thousands of different components bound in a smartphone that allows it to fit into our pocket. This PCB provides simplicity and step-by-step systematic organization for all the components to be mounted on the surface. Consists of wires or tracks onto the board, which allows each of the components to communicate and work together. Not only your smartphone, but also all the electronic devices have the PCB inside of it, such as gaming domain, PlayStation, laptop, desktop, television, vehicles, washing machines, microwave ovens, printers, and many things, and the list is limitless. Without those devices, we cannot even think to live our daily life in the modern era. All the possibility relies on the basic revolutionary technology that is PCB, has a top-notch career which cannot be replaceable in terms of jobs and research domains. So what's inside the PCB or the printed circuit board and how does it works? You can explore the revolutionary aspect of the PCB designing by visualizing the modern PCB designing strategy with the help of the following modules can be found in this PCB design course, which can make you zero to hero from all the aspects of the PCB design and development. Modules are segregated in terms of step-by-step realization. It will start from actual purpose of PCB and physical understanding of PCB, realization of PCB in real-world scenario, brief history about the PCB, and we will introduce to the PCB designing and circuit building concepts, revolution of PCB, differences and similarities between PCB and PWB, few of the types of the PCB materials. After that, we will explore to the electronic design automation, EDA software. Here, we will realize what is EDA, how it helps and why it requires different EDA tools, realize the Autodesk Eagle environment, why Eagle CAD is best for designing PCBs. Then we will enter to the different types of components and their categories in terms of PCB design. Here we will learn types of the components, about active components and passive components. We will understand types of the component packages, through-hole packages, surface mount packages. After that, we will understand detailed description and practical approach of PCB designing. We will realize the step-by-step process for PCB designing, description of PCB layers, each and every side of electrical layers, top layer, mid layer, bottom layer, etc. Mechanical layers, board outlines and cutouts, drills, drill details, documentation layers, components outlines, references, designations, text keywords and their description, footprint, pad stacks, vias, tracks, color of layers, PCB track size. Then we will realize the formulas for the calculation of the PCB parameters. We will know about PCB materials. After that, we will realize rules for making the copper tracks, such as track length, track angles, and so on. Then we will start to make the PCB with the help of Eagle CAD, understanding the process to make the schematic entry and board layout. We will understand drawing a schematic and design a board. Auto routing capabilities, then we will understand the setting up rules and auto router setup. After that, we will know few of the real life problems and the solution, process to create the external library components. We will do many projects in terms of PCB designing of basic analog electronic circuits and digital circuits. We will understand the PCB designing of power supplies and the design with the microprocessor and the microcontroller shift registers. After that, we will gone through the post designing and PCB fabrication process, such as print the design, etching, drilling and garbage generation, and so on. We will know the brief visualization of different manufacturing processes of PCB, step-by-step process of such categories, such as toner transfer method, CNC method, screen printing method. After that, we'll gone through the different approaches of assembly of components, and last but not least, the different approaches of assembly of components, such as manual assembly or automation assembly, etc. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning and be the best version of yourself.